Are you looking for the best dash cams? In this video we will look at some of the best dash cams on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. REDTIGER F17 Touch 4K Dashcam. The REDTIGER F17 Touch 4K Dashcam front and rear captures every journey with elegance and precision, turning ordinary drives into memories wrapped in safety. Its vivid clarity transforms each road moment into a lifelike image, giving you the quiet confidence that every detail is recorded faithfully. Whether it is daylight or darkness, it preserves every frame with balance and depth, ensuring your travels always feel protected and secure. Equipped with a responsive touch display and smooth voice control, it brings comfort and simplicity to your daily driving routine. The built-in positioning system keeps your route precise, while the stable 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connection allows effortless viewing whenever you wish. It does not just document, it watches over your vehicle like a silent witness, always prepared to guard what matters most. The REDTIGER F17 Touch 4K Dashcam front and rear gives peace of mind that stays with you long after the engine stops. Every drive becomes more than movement, it becomes a record of care and safety. With this camera, every second on the road feels certain, every turn feels protected, and every destination arrives with calm assurance that your journey is safe and remembered. Number 2. REDTIGER F17 4K Dashcam. The REDTIGER F17 4K 3-channel dashcam captures every drive with unmatched clarity and calm assurance. It records every angle of your journey with a depth that turns each moment into a lasting story. From sunrise commutes to late-night drives, it quietly stands guard, giving you confidence that your path is protected from every direction. Each frame holds lifelike detail, keeping your experiences preserved with accuracy and care. Its built-in positioning system and strong 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection keep your memories connected wherever you go. The triple camera view adds another layer of safety, watching the road ahead, behind, and inside with graceful precision. The REDTIGER F17 does not just film, it creates a feeling of trust that stays even when the car rests. With advanced night vision and balanced lighting control, it sees through darkness with clarity that feels reassuring. Every recording becomes a promise of safety, every moment a shield of awareness. The REDTIGER F17 4K 3-channel dashcam brings comfort to every trip, knowing your story is always being protected. It turns every drive into a peaceful experience where technology watches over you, keeping your journey safe, secure, and beautifully remembered. Number 3. REDTIGER F17 Elite 4K Dashcam. The REDTIGER F17 Elite 4K 3-channel dashcam transforms every drive into an experience of security and confidence. Every moment on the road feels protected as it records the journey with lifelike sharpness and balanced color, ensuring that nothing goes unseen. From the first turn of the key to the final stop, it captures each direction, front, rear, and inside, with precision that feels calm and trustworthy. Its refined night view brings light to darkness, turning every late drive into a peaceful experience. The smooth touch display and natural voice response create a sense of ease, allowing you to stay focused while knowing your path is being carefully documented. The fast and stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi 6 connection keeps every detail within reach, while the built-in positioning system adds an invisible layer of awareness to every trip. The REDTIGER F17 Elite 4K 3-channel dashcam is more than a camera, it is a companion that silently watches, protects, and preserves your journey. Each drive becomes a moment of calm certainty, knowing that your memories and safety are captured in clarity. It brings harmony between technology and trust, turning every route into a secure and beautifully recorded story. Number 4. TERUNSOUl D016 Dashcam. The TERUNSOUl D016 4K plus 4K dashcam front and rear captures every moment of your journey with vivid clarity and steady confidence. It turns your drive into a story of assurance, recording every direction with precision that feels alive and real. From the first spark of the engine to the quiet end of the road, it stands watch, preserving each scene with a richness that brings peace of mind through every mile. Its refined vision captures the smallest details of your surroundings, allowing you to relive each moment with unmatched depth. The wide viewing angle creates a sense of calm, knowing that your car and memories are always within safe reach. The smooth 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connection keeps your recordings accessible, while the built-in positioning system silently follows your route, giving you quiet confidence wherever you travel. The TERUNSOUl D016 4K plus 4K dashcam transforms daily drives into a feeling of trust and protection. It does more than record, it guards every second with care. Whether you are driving through city lights or empty roads, it brings comfort and safety together, turning every trip into a beautifully preserved memory filled with clarity, certainty, and ease. Number 5. REDTIGER F4 Pro 4K Dashcam. The REDTIGER F4 Pro 4K dashcam front and rear brings quiet confidence to every drive, turning each moment on the road into a story of safety and trust. It records with lifelike clarity, capturing every detail that defines your journey while preserving it with precision that feels effortless. Each scene unfolds with depth and balance, allowing you to travel knowing every moment is protected. Its refined design blends technology with simplicity, letting you drive without distraction. The fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 6 connection ensures instant access to your recordings, while the smooth touch display adds ease to every interaction. The powerful night vision keeps your world visible even when the road grows dark, wrapping your travels in a sense of calm security. The REDTIGER F4 Pro 4K dashcam front and rear becomes more than a device, it is a silent guardian that watches with care. It stands by through every stop and start, turning ordinary drives into experiences of confidence and peace. Every frame holds a memory, every second tells a story of safety. With this camera, your path feels protected, your car feels secure, and your every journey begins with certainty and ends with calm assurance.